welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan and welcome back to another Jordan video. Ooh, those high notes. It's kind of been a while since I sat on this couch and actually filmed a YouTube video, like not at the store or something. So yeah, so today I don't know what's going on with my mouth. I can't function words. If you guys watched my last few videos, I've been back to school shopping. So back to school is going to be kind of weird since I'm only going to go to school for 2 days and then 3 days it's going to be virtual learning at home. So I didn't really get that much stuff because I don't really know what's going to be happening and if I'm even going to need all of this stuff. So I just don't want to like overload and spend a bunch of money for nothing. But before we get into the stuff I actually bought, I'm going to be showing some things that UB has sent me because you know UB always comes in clutch with their super cute school supplies and I just think that they're super cute, so I'm going to showcase some that I like. Oops. First we have this all-seeing eye and it's a clipboard and it's super cute and this could be really good for like notes, especially at home, to keep track of like what you have next going on or if you don't want to miss anything or turn in anything late, because now with online school it can be really easy to miss something because if you just don't see it then you miss it. And you can put this on your desk or hang it right above your desk and it's right there for a reminder and you can see it all the time because it's a eye. You can see it all the time because it's a eye. So funny. And then we got another eye, another all-seeing eye, and this is just a clip-on. You can clip on to your backpack or a purse or something. I just think it's cute and it kind of goes with the whole vibe. Then we have this notebook that I absolutely love. Here's what it looks like. It's so cute. And it has water and glitter inside. On the front it says, "I see great things." And it's a crystal ball. Get it? Because when you move it, it looks like crystals. Here we have a notebook with cheetah print on it. I just think it's super cute, especially because of the colors. It's like pastel rainbow kind of with the inside of the cheetah print and then this like lavenderish, bluish color. And I just think it's really cute and yeah, just a notebook. That's cute. This is a binder and I just think this is such a pretty color for a binder. It's just like really, really pretty and it's just plain, so it can go with so many things. Like it can go with so many colors and I just really love this like pastel lavender purple. Now last thing we have from UB is these highlighters, and these are really pretty because they're pastel highlighters and there's so many colors of them. As you can see, it's like a whole rainbow of colors, and on them it also says like a bunch of words, like a bunch of sayings. Make your mark, shine bright, let's rock. I just think it's so cute. X heart, X heart. So that's everything UB sent me. Thank you so much, UB. I love it all. I can't wait to use it all for back to school. But now let's get into the stuff I bought. So I got all of my things from Target, not sponsored. So the first bag, we have these Papermate, are these flares? Yeah, Papermate flares. And I just got these to write in, and I love Papermate flares, and my mom loves Papermate, just Papermate in general. So she really wanted to get these for herself too. But look at all these colors they have. They have like so many colors. They have bright colors at the front row and then the darker version of those colors in the back row. So you literally have like every color in the world. And then we got this planner, this super cute planner. So this planner is so adorable because look at the polka dots. I just think that the polka dots are so cute, and like all the colors in the planner, like all the page colors, I think are really pretty. And like that pastel pink, that baby blue, and I just think it all goes. And I especially need a planner because I'm not really that organized, and my mom uses planners and she's really organized. So I decided, why not try it out? I tried it before, didn't stick with it. So I'm gonna try it again and hopefully stick with it. So next we have this notebook from UB, and it's like this pastel pink notebook, and then it has like foil in like rose gold of animals and plants. This is just super cute, and it kind of just goes with everything I bought. Then we got this Ticonderoga.
Ticonderoga?
Ticonderoga. These are really cute neon pencils. These pencils don't really go with everything I bought, but I just thought they were so cool because they were neon, and I was going to stand out from the crowd. I can't talk today.
You could never talk. Sorry.
I'm going to stand out from the crowd for 2 days. And that's it. Last thing oh, never mind. I always forget. So then we got this big pack of Sharpies, and I just got Sharpies because my other Sharpies have already dried out. So I just got this big pack for colors because colors are pretty. And then in this bag we have these pastel speckle gel ink pens. Yeah, gel ink pens, and these aren't mine. My mom said they were hers, but I just steal them. Next we have a stapler, and it's so cute. It's just a pink stapler, pretty plain. At first I thought this was a tiny stapler, so I really wanted it, and then it's not, so I was disappointed. But yeah, we just got a stapler, staple some papers, why not? Oh, then we got these pencils, and look how fancy these are. Like, they are so pretty. So they are rainbow pencils, so when you sharpen them, they're rainbow, and that's super pretty. And then the colors on them are adorable, and the packaging is literally looks like goddess packaging. Everything about these are just amazing. Ah! Then we got a banana pin because I thought it was super cute, and it's squishy. So it's like a win-win. A win-win-win. It's cute, a pin, and squishy. Then we got this whiteboard light box, and this is super cool because you can actually write whatever you want on it, and you can light it up instead of the regular light boxes where it already comes with the letters. You can write anything, and yeah, you can draw anything, and it's a cloud shape, so I just thought it was really cute. Not really anything for school, but you could use it for school. And then next, oh, this bag's heavy. The next bag has a lot of stuff in it, so let's get to it. This one is a pencil pouch, and it's just really cute because it says, "Be you, be kind." And I saw this in the store last time and didn't buy it, and then I bought it the next time I went to Target. And it's just super cute, plain, and I just really love it. And the texture of it is cool. Next we got a folder from 5 Star, and this one is really cool because it has like this really pretty design in gold foil with the white background, and I just think it looks like really cool and pretty. Like, I really like it. Then we have another notebook, and this one is just a plain kind of mint green color with notebook, so you didn't forget on the front. And I really like it because it's like mint and gold, and it goes perfect with the folder too. Oh, then we got some pastel pink scissors, and I really love the way these scissors look. Like, they're plain, but I really like them. Then we got another binder just in case, and this one is such, like, it's a pretty mustard yellow color, and it's really, really pretty. Again, it's plain from UB, and it can just go with a lot of different things. And I just tried to get all my school supplies to kind of match, or at least kind of go together. So there's a lot of kind of plain things in here. Another kind of notebook, and this matches the folder, so it's like that same foil design with the white behind it. And again, I got it to match because I want some of my school supplies to match. And yeah, I really like this design. It's super pretty. Then we got this pen. So it's a pin, but on the pin, every time you click it, it changes to something. So look at that. It goes from I like your smile to you inspire me, and I just think it's really cool to fidget with too. So the last thing I got is this computer, and this is because I'm going to be having an online school for the majority of the school year, sadly, but it's good for us. And I do have a Chromebook, but that Chromebook is a little wonky. So I got this one to use instead, because yeah, I just don't want to have to wait 30 minutes to sign into my computer just for it to not work. So that's all my school supplies so far for this school year. If I get more stuff, then I'll be sure to show you. But right now, I just don't really know what's happening all the way. It's kind of confusing. All of this is confusing. So I don't know if I need more stuff. I don't know if I don't need any of this stuff at all. It's just really confusing right now. But yeah, this is all the stuff I had so far. Make sure to let me know what was your favorite item that I got here today, and what's your back to school theme that you want for your school supplies. Okay guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you. Peace out.